Imagine a once beautiful house, yard, or sidewalk, forgotten and swallowed by time. Towering wild grass, overgrown shrubs covering every corner as nature reclaims what was once human territory. Witness the inspiring story of a kind-hearted gardener who, with his hands and tools, breathes new life into a seemingly lifeless plot. From chaos to beauty. Join us on this spirited journey of transformation and dedication. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Spencer from SB Mowing discovered a house in a deeply distressing condition that was severely detracting from the neighborhood's aesthetics. He found a property where the overgrown yard had completely overtaken the sidewalk, road edge, and entryway. Initially assuming the house was vacant, Spencer still knocked on the door to request permission. After inspecting the backyard, he confirmed the house was indeed abandoned and in severe disrepair. Its windows were shattered, and the interior appeared to have been deliberately stripped. Despite the property being unoccupied, Spencer decided to clean the entire yard and sidewalk for free, restoring the area for pedestrian use in the neighborhood. The neighbor to the left of the house turned out to be a fan of Spencer's work. In appreciation, Spencer also provided free lawn cleanup services for their yard. The neighbor's warnings hadn't fully conveyed the extent of the house's dire state. Spencer arrived to mow the lawn, but what he uncovered beneath the overgrowth was far more alarming. The sidewalk had vanished for years, and on that day he set out to excavate it back to the surface. Spencer initially thought it was just a neglected home, but peering into the backyard dramatically shifted the scene. Shattered windows, looted interiors, and rampant wild vegetation had taken over everything. Though vacant, the house's impact on the surroundings was stark. The pedestrian sidewalk was buried under thick soil and grass. Spencer spent the entire day restoring the area. Using a shovel and mower, he began rediscovering the long-buried sidewalk edges. It was immensely satisfying to see the white concrete resurface after years hidden beneath layers of earth. Midway through the job, Spencer met the neighboring fan, a loyal viewer of his channel. They were thrilled to finally walk on the sidewalk again without stepping into the roadway. As thanks for their support, Spencer volunteered to clean their yard for free as well. On that day, Spencer transformed a horrifying eyesore into a clean, safe environment once more, a truly satisfying makeover. The backyard of this house wasn't just overgrown with grass, it was littered with trash, discarded items, and wildly chaotic vegetation. Sean first had to clear the piles of debris from the access path to even get the lawnmower into the backyard. Items not destined for disposal were neatly stacked to open up the workspace. Assisted by his team, Sean hauled trash to the truck and used a brush cutter to tackle the thickest grass. After multiple mows and edging, what was once a dump site transformed into a tidy, usable garden. After nearly 12 months away due to health reasons, Sean is back, and he didn't return empty-handed. This time, he faced one of the toughest jobs he's ever done, a backyard that had become a veritable landfill. The condition was utter chaos. He couldn't even get the lawnmower in because the path was blocked by junk and construction debris. The first mission wasn't mowing, it was a full trash evacuation to reveal where the ground actually was. That day, he brought along his Blade Mate Boys team for support. While the team loaded heavy trash onto the truck, Sean started slashing through the thickest grass. This wasn't just garden tidying, it was a total recovery operation to restore the yard's functionality for the owner. Sean mowed multiple times, neatened every corner, and even moved a trampoline to make every area perfect. The difference was night and day, from a headache-inducing trash heap to a clean, heart-soothing yard. He said it felt great to hold the mower again and witness transformations like this. He also thanked his fans for their patience and for checking in on him.
A gardener decided to clean a severely overgrown sidewalk. Tall grass had completely covered the pedestrian path, forcing school children to walk on a busy and dangerous roadway to avoid it. The man spent about 45 minutes cutting back the thick grass. He even brought his friend Trey along as a bodyguard due to safety concerns in the neighborhood. A mother across the street expressed her gratitude. She confirmed that residents had long avoided the sidewalk and was delighted that someone finally cared enough to clean it. Imagine a sidewalk meant to be a safe path for school children transformed into an impassable barrier of thick, towering grass that forced them to risk their lives on a bustling street. On that day, this man ventured into a neighborhood with a notorious reputation to restore a forgotten right for its residents. The grass stood as tall as an adult man's beard. The condition was so dire that the sidewalk was entirely obscured. This wasn't just an aesthetic issue, it was a matter of safety. Children heading to their school bus had to step onto the crowded road because the sidewalk was utterly unusable. Reportedly, city officials wouldn't even enter the area, deeming it too dangerous. Yet this man was determined to clear the sidewalk and surrounding space to ensure safety for the school children. The task was arduous. The grass was so thick and tough that he had to use pruning shears before his lawnmower could make progress. He also brought his friend Trey for protection in case of trouble. But his mission was clear. The sidewalk had to be restored. The transformation was remarkable, from a frightening, overgrown path to a clean, usable walkway once more. Remember, one small act can create a profound impact on the safety of many.
This video tells the story of Rafael, a gardener from Brazil who performs a heartwarming act of kindness by clearing a garden for free for a man in need. Rafael spotted a house with an overgrown yard. He offered his services gratis to the owner whose lawnmower had broken down, leaving him unable to maintain it himself. The garden was so wild that Rafael called it a jungle, yet hidden beneath the thick underbrush were fruit trees laden with produce, including pomegranate, lemon, guava, and a heavily fruiting jaboticaba tree. The cleanup process proved highly challenging. Rafael had to mow the grass multiple times due to its thickness, encountered a wasp nest that stung his arm, and used a chainsaw to prune dead branches without damaging the fruit trees. Once the garden was cleared, the homeowner was deeply moved and at peace. Rafael also offered emotional support regarding the personal struggles the man was facing. The job was far more demanding than Rafael anticipated. The grass was so dense that it required repeated cutting. Midway through, he was startled by a large wasp nest hidden behind some branches. Despite the sting, my spirits remained high because I knew something beautiful was waiting to be uncovered. The transformation was truly satisfying, from a suffocating wild jungle to a clean, peaceful garden. The homeowner couldn't hide his joy, but that day was about more than just a tidy yard. We shared a heartfelt conversation, offering moral support to help him rise above his personal challenges. Sometimes a clean garden is the start of a renewed heart. The transformation was truly soul-stirring. We never know the burdens others carry behind their front doors.